Redmi K60 Pro. So this mobile will comes with a name of POCO F5 Pro in India. Let's start with this mobile's features. First of all, this mobile comes with a 6.67 inches of OLED display, and it is a 1 billion color supported 120Hz refresh rate display, and it is also supports Dolby Vision. The peak brightness will be around 1450 nits. And when we talk about the protection, yeah, this mobile does comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, yes. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this is a major thing in this mobile, that this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is the latest processor, and it is a 5G processor. This is an octa-core processor. When we talk about the 5G, this mobile does comes with 9 bands of 5G in India. And when we also talk about this mobile's cameras, yeah, this is also a major thing in this mobile, that this mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide and 2 megapixels of macro. Total 3 cameras at the back side, and we can shoot up to 8K 30 fps with this mobile's back camera. For the front, it does comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, and that is a wide angle lens. And when we talk about the battery, yeah, this is a huge thing in this mobile, that this mobile comes with a 5000 milliamp of battery, but that's not it. It does supports 120 watts of fast wide charge, that is quick charge 3 plus, the latest Redmi's charging technology, and it also supports 30 watts of wireless charge, and it doesn't supports any reverse wireless charge. And when we talk about the storage variants, yeah, this mobile does comes in various storage variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 base, 8GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512GB, and also a 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage variants. Now, when we talk about the storage variants, these are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. Yes. And this mobile also comes with the features like this mobile comes with the stereo speakers and no 3.5mm jack. This mobile also comes with the IR blaster and NFC features also. This mobile also comes with a polycarbonate back and metal frame and glass front, yes. And this mobile also comes with a features like in-display fingerprint scanner, Face ID. And this mobile also comes with a connectivity. When we talk about the connectivity, wireless connectivity, this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 versions, which is the latest versions in their own categories. And this mobile also comes with dual 5G support. I mean, like dual 5G SIMs you can use in this mobile. And this mobile also comes with Android version 13 out of the box with the MIUI 14 out of the box, yes. And when we talk about the box contents, yeah, this mobile comes with a charger, a cable, and also a TPU case and user manual and SIM ejector tool included in the box with this mobile. And when we talk about the price, yes, yeah, this is a tricky thing, but this mobile is going to release a bit high price range, with a bit high price range. That is, this mobile comes with a price tag of 39,900, almost 40,000 rupees. So there is a base level mobile price. I mean, like the 8GB RAM 128GB storage variant price. And when we talk about the colors, yeah, this mobile will be available in 4 colors. Those are black, white, mint, and another black version. And I will also give a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below with the colors and with the 5G bands. You can check it out from there. And if you want to watch other videos of my channel, you can directly click this icon or go to the description box and you can follow the links over there. And that's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Yeah, this mobile is going to release only in India. So wait until the mobile releases.